Welcome to Slime Time
with Cora
and Margot.
To make slime, you will need a bowl and something to mix, lotion, contact or saline solution, white glue,
Baking soda, shaving cream, and for something a little extra, food coloring and glitter. The first step to make slime is you need to get your glue and pour it into your bowl.
Step 2. You want to grab your lotion and add 4 pumps to your glue.
Now, the exciting part. You can add food coloring and glitter to your slime at this point.
And now it's time to mix it up.
Add about a half a cup of shaving cream to your mixture.
Next, add about a pinch of baking soda and make sure to mix really, really well.
Next, you want to add a little bit of saline solution at a time and mix until you get your desired slimy consistency. And voila! Now you've made slime!
Thanks for tuning in to Slime Time.